Becoming a virtuoso in your field, the ultimate guide to achieving expertise. Hello, studying machines! Get pumped up and ready to transform into a superstar in your field. We're about to spill the beans on the top 5 kick-butt steps to smash your goals and become a wizard at what you do. Let's jump in! Step 1. Set your target. What's your dream skill? Rocking the guitar, chatting in a new language, or ruling the world of marketing? Nail down your big dream. It's your guiding star. Step 2. Power up with knowledge. Knowledge is your superpower. Dive into books, hit up workshops, and binge on online courses. Swim deep in your chosen ocean and learn from the giants who've already rocked it. Step 3. Practice makes perfect. Expert status, not an overnight thing. Put in the time daily to flex those skills. Whether it's fine-tuning your moves, boosting your word wizardry, or strategizing like a pro, regular practice is your golden ticket. Step 4. Get feedback, your secret weapon. Scared of feedback? Don't be! Hunt down a mentor or join a crew of fellow dream chasers. See feedback as your golden chance to level up and shine. Step 5. Keep the learning flame alive. Expertise? It's a never-ending adventure. Always be on the lookout for new trends, tricks, and breakthroughs in your field. True masters are forever students at heart. Boom! You've got the map to be an ace in any arena. What's stopping you? Go for it, use these steps, and unleash your awesomeness. And hey, don't bounce without hitting subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Let's make magic happen. Keep studying and learning. Until next time, folks.